collab some besties. One of my favorite things to do, besides crafting and doll collecting, is doll photography. And now that the weather is getting slightly nicer here outside, I'm ready to do some photos outdoors. So let's prepare our doll bag. Today we're gonna go over some of my must-haves for doll photography when you're out and about. First things first, a bag. My doll bag changes probably every year. This is a canvas bag I found on Amazon that I originally bought for Bella, but then she didn't like it. So you know what? I'm using it. It has a nice wide strap. I like to wear my bags cross-body. It's a tote where I can easily reach down and get what I need. Next, I use a Barbie color reveal tube to store my doll in. It's clear plastic, I don't have to worry about colors transferring onto it, and I can easily place it in the bag. Next, I have a storage container. I got this from the Dollar Tree. It was $3, not $1. I've also seen similar ones at Pop Shelf and Michael's for about the same. This is great for storing little doll accessories that we might need while we're out. Like shopping bags, these can make pretty fun props. A hairbrush for dolls with combable or brushable hair. Mini Toya has locks, so I don't need to use this when I am photographing her, but sometimes I take some of the other dolls. And a small spray bottle of water might also come in handy. This is actually a diluted mixture of the juice by Kenny Doll 2017 with a little bit of water. If we have some flyaways, this will definitely help, or even if we need to fix hair because like what if it's windy, you drop your doll, who knows. I have a paintbrush so I can just clean off the doll's face a little bit. Poster putty is also a must-have for me. I got this at Michael's. It was near the glue sticks. Sometimes I've seen it at like office supply stores and even the grocery store. I've seen it in blue and I've seen it in white. I prefer white. I store it in its own little section so it doesn't get on anything I don't want it to. Sunglasses. You never know when those are gonna come in handy. I like to keep a couple of different pairs. So we have options: cell phones, headphones, a camera, and a laptop. Cell phones are a great prop to make it look like the doll is doing something. Same with headphones. The doll could be walking down the street listening to music. And a camera. I think it's a lot of fun to take a photo of a doll taking a photo. Drinks like coffee, boba tea, water can totally be useful. I even have a little glass of lemonade and a Zootopia-inspired popsicle. Depending on where you're going, your props will change. If you're headed to the beach, you're gonna want a beach towel, a tote bag, sunblock, things like that. If you're going to a park, you might wanna bring a pet along. And with that, maybe a few accessories to go with it, like a leash, a pom-pom that I use as a tennis ball, a little poop bag, and some treats. This is a printable that's available on our blog to download and print, in case you're interested. We can take a purse if we know our doll is going to be walking around, giving us more little details to add to our photo. I like to take shoes that I know I can balance my dolls to stand in. I've had some luck with these, so I like to keep them close by. I leave a couple of the compartments open just in case I want to take some different accessories later. Close the top and place it in the bag. I keep a doll stand in my bag. I bought it on Amazon. It was a pack of 15 for $17.99. They're pretty flexible. I don't have to worry about breaking them. And it's clear-ish, so hopefully it doesn't stand out too much in our photos, and you can always edit it out if you don't like seeing the doll stand. I leave mine together when possible to try to save some time. Let's throw some stickers in there. I keep them in a plastic bag to keep them clean. And I like to keep some kind of business card on me because you might find an opportunity to plug your social, you know?
And always try to look out for things that can create like little bokeh light in your photo.
Oh, that's cute. What are you doing?
Oh, hi. I'm just taking pictures of my dog.
What for?
I have a YouTube channel. You should check it out.
Thank you. We can even make it into a keychain. So it's on our bag and always ready. Now we just need the doll. How about BarbieStyle Doll 4? Priced at $100, I bought this doll on Amazon. The packaging is consistent with the other dolls. You can see all the dolls so far lined up on the side. I was really excited for this one because we get jeans with pockets and a white top. These are great basics to add to my doll wardrobe. Before I take her clothes, let's check out the doll. Aw, she's cute. A lot goes into the packaging. Personally, I wish it was a little simpler. But you know what? If they had used those little plastic stays that stab all the clothes, I would be complaining about that too. So don't listen to me. Like right now. Oh, there's a hole in my sock. Well, shoe. You know what I mean. Out of the box, this doll comes with a doll stand and a certificate of authenticity letting you know this is a gold labeled doll. She has the Dea face sculpt. I looked it up, not even pretending like I knew that. But I am very familiar with this face sculpt and I love the way they did it here. Clean lines, natural look. She has brown hair with a little bit of a curl to it. Might need a little TLC right out of the box. The front is pulled up. She has brown sunglasses, gold metallic hoops that are removable. Yeah! This doll has a made-to-move body, comes wearing a dark gray t-shirt and undies. The shirt velcros in the back. I'm loving all of these neutral pieces. And then we have a shimmery, colorful skirt. The pattern continues all the way around and it has a snap in the back. We can pair it with sock sneakers, a black and white varsity jacket. Mine is real clean and lined on the inside, but not on the sleeves. Pretty easy to get on. It's a faux leather with faux buttons going down the front. She has a sewn iridescent handbag. Mine is sewn shut and I'm going to leave it that way. There's a little handle here or a strap and a chain. Like that detail. And she has a metallic silver cell phone with a picture of the BarbieStyle Instagram. Her nails are painted a purplish color, completing this look. Let's see if we can come up with an inspired look. Gray Barbie basic top, rainbow skirt. I want to say this is from a fashion pack, but I don't remember. Faux leather jacket with gold sleeves. No, let's go with this one. From Barbie Fashionista number 156. Add a sparkly bag, the BMR 1959 shoes, and a cell phone. Totally not the same vibe, but it was fun to try. Let's check out that second look. Distressed jeans with pockets, belt loops, and faux buttons. There are working pockets in the back and velcros. They are cuffed at the bottom of the leg, and we paired them with some black strappy shoes. She has a loose fit white top with a collar, 2 pockets on the front, rolled sleeves. There are 2 faux buttons on front. It does close with a snap. We have to tie it in the front. Place the included white purse on her shoulder. It's a plastic purse, cute little design. Definitely feels like the kind of bag you would see in a normal Barbie fashion pack. Add the glasses, don't forget the cell phone, and she's ready to go. This white shirt and jeans, probably my favorite pieces out of all the BarbieStyle dolls so far. I love these basics that look like stuff we would wear in real life. Recreating that look, black strappy shoes are easy. I have printed distressed jeans from the Barbie Career of the Year for last year. I think it was Music Producer. I borrowed the top from a Slim Kin Barbie fashionista. It had a green bow tie. I removed that. Now I'm just gonna twist the shirt in the front, secure it with a rubber band, add a white plastic purse, cell phone, add some brown glasses, to make an inspired look with items we already have. But I'm going to switch out this white purse for the iridescent one and take my doll outside to get a couple of photos. But before we go, I have an idea I would love to test out. Take a piece of cardboard or foam board, cut a piece that will fit in my bag. Mine is 12 by 9 inches. I'm going to cover it with our concrete printable. I'm just using a glue stick to attach it. Cut the corners, then fold them over and glue them down. I take 2 scraps of foam board. Let's glue those together and then glue them underneath, giving me something to hold on to. Make a hole for the pole of the doll stand. I want it to be snug so it stays in place. Place the doll on the stand. I use her legs to try and cover the pole, so maybe we can get a picture without showing our hands. The pole on the Barbie stand is a little longer than the one I bought on Amazon, so I'm gonna try to use this one, and hopefully I don't break the bracket. All right, that feels secure. Let's give it a try.
It's about 5:30. I love this time of day. The sun comes in at an angle, so we get a nice little glow. But I found a spot that's not in direct light, so we don't have to worry about the sun shining on our dolls. I'm using my cell phone because it's easy and convenient, and it has great functions like portrait mode. Here's my bag and my doll. In this photo, I want her holding a cell phone. So we're gonna open up our case and grab a little bit of that putty. Place the putty in her hand behind 3 of those fingers, and then attach the phone. Take the purse out of the box, put it on her shoulder, braid her hair, and lightly brush to prep. She's on our little platform that we made. It's kind of like a doll stand, but we hid the bottom. So far it's working, which makes me very, very happy. So let's get some shots. So the good news is that the stand works. The not so good news is I'm not loving portrait mode. So let's try it with the regular camera. I'm also noticing that my ground doesn't match the ground that's actually here. So if you know where you're going to shoot, it's a good idea to come out early, take a photo of the ground, make a printable, and then they'll match. Let's take a few photos in the sun. Get some great photos today. I'm gonna stick around and take a couple more shots. Thank you for joining us. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time.